What's going on, guys? Lawson here. Today I'm out with Greg and Ramon right over there rigging up. We are all the way down in the Everglades and we're gonna do bass fishing and we're gonna wade. Gotta hopefully catch some big bass. We're gonna be throwing flukes and swim baits and see if we can't catch some toads. I'm punching with the worms here. Oh, he's set. Ramon's on. He's not that small. I'm filming. Do you want me to help you land him? You got him? Perfect.
Looks like it was strong.
All right, Ramon's on the board. You're on camera, double time. Here you go, first fish of the day. killer release.
Dump him.
Oh!
That might be the gator. Oh, never mind.
It's a good fish, Greg. Whew. Oh man, it's a monster. All right, first bass of the day, a dink, but oh, all right.
I wouldn't fish a frog right now. It's too hot. Exactly. No, not exactly. There's chicken frog.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
No.
So, it like my line cut through the water like it was huge.
I definitely heard a big fish. I'm not seeing it.
Dude, I'm in like the land of the dinks over here. All right, I gotta get out of here. I'm just catching little dinks, and Ramon and Greg have caught like 3 or 4 fish that have been around 3 pounds. Holy crap, I just stepped in like a...
Yeah, this is a really big one.
Oh, found it. Holy crap! It came all the way out of the water, dude. On the pocket frog. I hope he says button, dude. I got tiny little hooks on this thing. I'm coming to you, baby. He came out. Oh, yeah, oh, holy sh... The pocket frog. Dude, he's getting airborne to hit this thing. Dude, the little micro frog. Dude, I'm telling you, there's a huge hole. I thought my camera was going under. I was like, no.
How deep is it down?
2.5 probably. Not a monster, but.
I was trying to make Greg think he had a big. I was tugging on his line. Say the frog.
The frog has definitely been defeated there. He's seen better days. Greg's hooked up with a giant. Ramon, you going out to land it?
No, it's fine. It just hit it really hard. Yeah, I was about to go.
Dude, I thought that was a 6-pounder at first.
Oh, it's pretty big.
Oh yeah, it's 4 probably.
Hell yeah, dude.
Greg, our hero, with the stud bass.
Out here in the Everglades.
In the glades. Dude, that's a stud.
Wrestling alligators. Definitely was. I thought it was way bigger.
Dude, I think that's why bass fishing is just so much fun, because they always look humongous. Like,
It's the initial strike, honestly.
I'm not a hardcore hunter at all. I'm like, someone invites me out, yeah, maybe I'll go. I don't know.
But if we ask you to go bass fishing,
Oh man. He's 5 or 6 probably.
that's like a 4. Easy on the weight, Lawson.
It's like 12. I'm like rigging.
Oh, it's a toad. Young. He's hooked good.
That's like 1 pound.
I completely thought I had it. It's a decent one. Want some GoPro pictures?
Ramon, the stud of the day.
Ron, you want some GoPro pictures with it? Sure, why not? We're gonna go for it.
Ramon, let me. There we go.
Well, I didn't really go for max casting. I did. All about the max casting.
Oh, God. Dink City, dude. That's where I've been at today.
I guarantee you got the big one, though. He's been hanging out in the clay pen. He's been hanging out with Peter and Deanna in the sandbox.
Get thump.
That's a fish, dude. Yeah, it is. Look at him swimming. He wasn't lying. There he goes. He's off. I didn't want to.
Well, damn, Greg.
It's a fish. No, it's not. And his line's just zipping across the water. I didn't want that one at all. No, dude, I couldn't grab him.
Dude, he missed it. I missed him, and then he came back for it.
I don't think you missed it.
Whatever. It was tiny.
I got you. Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, it is. It's a big one. It's literally. Yeah, I can tell.
Oh,
It's big.
that's huge, Greg.
GoPro. It's on.
Dude, I'm getting a real camera out here.
Lift this thing. It's big. It's so strong. Oh! Oh my god. Dude. This thing is so strong. Look at that.
Dude, he's peeling drag on you. You kidding me?
Dude, he has swallowed that thing. Dude, it's so big. I can't. Oh.
Yeah, it's a bucket.
You got him right. Grab. Oh, that's bigger than.
Dude, that's like 8 pounds.
Oh. That's a stud.
Oh, Greg. Holy cow, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, that's like 10.
It's kind of a dink. I don't know. Not my personal best. I'm just gonna let him go.
Sure, Greg. You can.
Giant. Is that a choker or what?
Dude, he wanted that very badly.
Just a little bit. Decent.
That was a big fish. Well, I'd guess 8 probably on it.
Probably.
I didn't think it was that big until it jumped again, like right by us.
Yeah, it didn't look that big.
I was like, this one's not full.
But when it jumped, it was too big to jump all the way out, so you couldn't see its whole body. It literally just like head shook on top.
Dude, that is a stud. Let me see the pictures.
I'm still filming right now.
See you later, girl.
It's a stud.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, the dinosaur of a bat.
This is most probably, I'd have to say. There she is. That's a wrap.
Right on. Alright, we're calling it for the day. We caught, I don't know, probably around 20, 24 fish, you think?
Probably like 30.
Probably 30 fish, and Greg ended up, I think almost the last fish of the night, probably the second to last fish of the night, caught about an 8-pounder, probably somewhere 7 to 8. It was a stud, and Ramon caught a nice probably 4 to 5. It was just an awesome night, but we got a long walk ahead of us now, so we're gonna hit it, get on the road.